In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text box in Wix website. If you're building a page and need to add a block of text, maybe a short intro, a description, or a disclaimer, Wix makes it quick and flexible. Start in the Wix editor on the page where you want the text to appear. Look to the left-hand toolbar for the plus or add icon. Clicking this opens the panel of elements you can place on your site, and it's your starting point for anything you want to insert. From the Add panel, choose Text. This brings up all the text options available, like titles, paragraphs, and themed presets. Headings are great for big statements and section titles, but for regular body copy, we'll work with the paragraph options. Next, open the paragraphs category. These are preset styles designed for readable, longer text. Using a paragraph style helps your content look consistent and keeps spacing and line height balanced across your site. Now pick the paragraph style that fits your design and drag it onto your canvas. As you drag, you'll see guides that help you align the text with other elements, so drop it where you want it to live on the page. You can always move it later if you change your mind, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. With the text box placed, click Edit Text. This opens the text toolbar and lets you replace the placeholder content with your own words. Type or paste your copy and use standard text editing like undo, redo, and selection to refine it quickly. If you want your new text box to match your site's theme, choose a style from the text toolbar. Styles are preset combinations of font, size, spacing, and color that keep everything on brand. Selecting a style here is a smart way to stay consistent without manually tweaking every setting. You can also change the font to match your brand personality. Pick something clean and legible, especially for paragraphs. Sans serif fonts often work best on screens. Try to limit yourself to 1 or 2 font families across your site to maintain a cohesive look. Finally, adjust the font size until your text is easy to read and fits the visual hierarchy of the page. Larger sizes draw attention, smaller sizes work for supporting details. Aim for comfortable readability and balanced spacing around the text box so it feels integrated with your design. That's all it takes. Add a text element, choose paragraphs, drag in a style, edit the content, and fine-tune the style, font, and size for a polished result. You're ready to add clear, consistent text anywhere on your Wix site.